Okay, so I'll proceed to drafting of the pattern. So I have the length, which is 17. Okay. Shoulder 14 divided by 2. And then the neckline is 3. This is the back, so we assume that this fabric is on for 3 by 1.5 for the neckline. Assuming you had measured, and then you have your shoulder sloping to be 1, so you got to take that sloping down. Divide by that one gives you the armhole that you measure. So you divide by 2 to get that chest line point. So now you're going to put your shoulder measurement on it and then connect the line. Okay, so that point you take your bust measurement. So for this case, the bust circumference divide by 4, and then the waist circumference divide by 4. So that's it. For your armhole, you divide the measurement from here to here and then get the center point. From that center point, you come in by 1/2 inch. So you take your drawing from here. You're trying to get your cuff. Sorry, I'm not with my cuff ruler. So by that you get a perfect cuff for it. So your that to that is your nipple to nipple measurement. Divide by 2. So you get that for your that. So my nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 has given me that point. I'm taking it down. So on each side here, I'm going to take in 1/2 inch, and then connect. I like to stop the dot at the 9 inches from that point. So I'm going to connect it from that point down and connect this from that point. So now you know that this is my waist measurement, but I've taken out something here, so I'm going to replace this measurement here. So that is it. That one that I've taken out here, I have to replace it. That's what I've just done. And then I need allowance for sewing. So for this case, I'm using 1 inch sewing allowance. So we have that's so with this, our back pattern is ready. So proceed to cut the back pattern so that we can go on with the front pattern. So for the front, we'll just take the back pattern to get the front pattern. So there's going to be zip in front, that's why we have the zip allowance here. And so for the neckline, I'll still use the width of 3, which is from this point, width of 3 to 6.5. I do not want my cleavage to show, so it depends on you. You can go down by 8, by 9, but for me, I don't want my cleavage to show, so I'm using this 6.5 for the neck depth. Go on to connect it. I'll make it slightly curved, not straight as such. Okay. Okay. So for the front, it's going to be a bit longer than the back because of the style that is there. So I'm extending the front by 4 inches. Connect. I don't also remember my zip allowance at this point. I connect the straight line down. So for my dots to dots, still remember that that's my nipple to my nipple point. That's what I'm using to connect here, because I still need that on the lower part as on the front part. And so with these, I'm going to connect from here to that point. Like this. And then from here, I'm coming in by this 1 inch. I'm coming in by 1, and from here, that's where I'm connecting the V to meet on this point. Okay, so still have here, so that once I join, the points will meet. Okay. Oh, sorry, the paper had moved, so I have to do that again, so don't get confused. The paper had moved and I've not taken note of it. So I'll go ahead and cut the front pattern. Go ahead and cut the front pattern. So this is the front and this is the back pattern. We're going to proceed to get this exact shape out from the fabric, and then we'll come back to sew for you to see.